What's up, guys? JJ Fade 23. I'm just going to do a quick review on my Amazon swing. As always, guys, top down analysis. It's not very often where you find a stock that's in a squeeze on every single time frame. So, look, you see this? Bearish momentum decreasing. Amazon has kind of bottomed out, came down, did a fake breakdown right here on the weekly chart, made a higher low. Starting to curl, it breaks the downtrend line. Now look, guys, what do I always say? Even the weakest stock can bounce 38%. So Amazon, even if it was going to still go low, it could still bounce to 38, even 50%, right? So we know that. Okay, so we know it can go higher. Has room to go higher. Also has weekly chart pivot 114, all right? So I know it can go higher. Now, we're in a weekly, we're on top of the EMAs, right on top of the 8, 21, and 34 on the weekly chart. Look at that. 8 and 21, 34 support. Also, a lot of support right here, right below, right? And the bearish momentum is decreasing, and we're in a squeeze on the weekly chart. Now, let's look. We go down to a daily chart. Now, look it. This is a very strong support level right here, right? Last time the stock came down to here, it bounced up to there. Came back again. It did a fake breakdown. Bounced. It reclaimed. Now the EMAs are stacked. Look it. We're in a squeeze on the daily chart too. Now, what do I always tell you about this angle? The angle of these two candles right here is what gives me also, it's the flag, the top of a flag. Big move. That's the top of a flag. We're sitting right on top of the 21. EMAs are stacked. We're in a squeeze. Now, we go down to the 4-hour chart. Look at this. We're sitting right at the 21 and 34 on the 4-hour chart. We're also in a squeeze. Bearish momentum decreasing. Same exact setup on all time frames. You don't get to see that very often. Look, hourly chart. We're in a squeeze. Bearish momentum decreasing. The hourly EMAs are crossing over. Right around here at 104 something is where I took the trade, 105. Right when these hourly EMAs started to cross over, we were in a squeeze. Going on the 30-minute chart, in a squeeze on every time frame. Multiple time frame squeezes. So for me, all I needed was to have the smaller time frames cross over from bearish to bullish EMAs, and then entered the trade around, I think it was 104.50, 105, something like that. And then my targets was back towards the high and then back towards this pivot. So I sold some, I got in around here. It started to go. We got the gap up and the spike towards 110. I sold half. Then I sold the rest today up here. It could go a little higher, but it was already an amazing gain. And I didn't get far enough out options anyway. But guys, if you want to trade the squeeze, that's what you want to see. Stacked EMAs in a squeeze on the weekly time frame. Stacked EMAs in a squeeze on the daily time frame. Stacked EMAs 4-hour time frame squeeze. Stacked EMAs hourly time frame squeeze. And then a nice flag on the daily, just beautiful setup. Beautiful setup. The other thing that I liked was, like I said, it came down to this. See this support right here? It was a long-standing support that went all the way across. Well, last time we were here, look, we bounced pretty strong off of there. Tried to come down to it again. It didn't. Now over here, we came down to it. We fake break below it, reclaim. Whenever we have a major level of support that gets fake break and reclaim, that's it. That gives me confidence that the bottom's temporarily in right here, so I can take a trade. If this was going to break down, it would have broke down right there. If you get a fake breakdown and reclaim, the bottom's in for right here, so I can take this trade very close to that right here. Because if this wasn't going to hold, it wouldn't have held, And also the last and final thing, that piece to my puzzle, as always, we're right at the 38% fib retracement. So we get the EMA support, we get the fake breakdown reclaim of support plus the 38 fib, just like the other trade the other day. What was it? We had, I forget what it was, but EMA support, fib support, demand candle support, strong. See this This big green candle shows me there's a demand support zone. And then the squeeze is on. And yeah, the only thing that I didn't love about this was the high volume fake breakout up here. But that is the other thing that I did like though. I didn't like that, the high volume reversal fake breakout here, but I did love the speed in which it came back down. See, I don't love when they trickle back down to the EMAs. I like when they go 1, 2, 3 big candles right back down to the support and EMAs. It kind of gives a whiplash down, whiplash back. I like that. So whiplash down and then boom, back up and then flag and go. So that was like one of the first times I've seen a squeeze on every single time frame for a while. That's just beautiful. Good stuff. So that's pretty much it. Thanks.